crowded street, I see thousands of faces before me. Then I see a face that I used to know long ago in my life story. It starts me thinking about the things you said, for your image is still inside me. The past is gone, but in my head you're still walking along beside me. Is it something plain?